Alright, so I pulled the cover off and set it down on the table here. And Lynette is using our handheld vacuum. You can see I've got a couple bulbs I think I might have to replace there. But the little bugs get inside there. Little gnats, sometimes there's a dragonfly, but they're attracted to the light, of course, and so they fly up inside there. And you got to get them out. Alright, so it looks like we've got to change one of these light bulbs. And they're really thin and they're stuck in there pretty tight, so you got to be careful. You don't want to break them. You got to kind of twist them and get those two little nodules to slide out of that little pocket. There we go, got it out of there. And we're going to put a new one in, of course. Got one other one I'm going to try changing too, because this one looked like it was a little bit low. But let's go ahead and put this one in. Just stick that baby right up in there. You got to slide the two little leads inside the track, and then once it's inside there, you're going to just twist it, and it just locks in. And that's how you do it. It's pretty simple. I'm just going to go ahead and slap the other one in there. Slides in. And check that track. Slide it in. And give it a good twist. Bam. Well, now we got light. They said, let there be light, and there was light. Yes. Ta-da! Looking good. All right, so now we got to get our cover up there. There's a little lip that runs all the way along the side on both sides of the light that's screwed into the ceiling. And then there's these 4 clips. There's one. And that clip goes right up on there. And we just have to lift it up. Try to get it even. There's the clip. You see it right there? There's 4 of them, one on each corner. And I just got to get that over that little edge that's on both sides. It takes a little bit of doing. You got to kind of get it up there and slowly slide it on. You got to make sure that you're, see, I'm a little bit too far south on that one. I got to bring it over a little bit. Whoops, there we go. Got to get it up. You'll feel it and just kind of move it over and bam, it's in. And yes, there is light. Congratulations. All right, it looks clean. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos on stuff that I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but I'm going to do it anyway. And I'm going to videotape it, or video record it, and show it to you guys. Thanks.